Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some of my best tips when it comes to creating content for your Facebook fan page so you can wind up getting more leads, reps, and customers into your business. Now, the one thing you need to understand first when it comes to Facebook or any type of online marketing that you're going to be doing is you need to be building an audience and engaging your audience before you sell to your audience. So when you're in the building and engaging phase, you have to make sure you have things set up on your fan page and the type of content you're creating so it's attracting the right people to you. And when you're building content, you're engaging with your audience, what happens then is that you don't need to sell because it becomes a natural part of the process. So before we get into the types of content, you really need to make sure that you have these following fan page basics covered. First, you must always brand you and not your company. Now, this is very important if you're doing a home business or you are in network marketing. Because if you have your company's name plastered in your profile, on the timeline picture, timeline cover, on your profile page, you're promoting nothing but the products. What people are going to then do is they're going to Google your company and it's going to raise their level of resistance to even want to talk to you. You don't want people doing their own research. And also, when you are branding your company, network marketing companies go out of business. A lot of them just do not have the staying power. So if you are just branded to your company and your company goes out of business or you decide you want to go in a different direction, people are going to remember you for being with that company, and it's going to be very, very hard to build a tribe. It's going to take a lot longer. You always want to make sure to add a professional image and cover photo. Now, with a professional image, it doesn't mean like you in a suit or some sort of corporate outfit. But what you want is a real nice headshot of yourself smiling. Smiling disarms people. And it really invites people to want to come in and learn more about you. So make sure you have a picture of yourself that's smiling. You don't need to go hire a photographer. You can use your smartphone. Most phones today have really great HD cameras built in. Just go have somebody take a picture of you smiling. You want to make sure you're completing the About Me section on your fan page and keep it simple, such as, I provide X for Y. Okay, that is a real simple formula to remember that. So here are a couple of examples to help you out. Example number 1, I provide weight loss tips for busy moms. Example number 2, I teach busy families how to get leads for their business leveraging the internet. Example number 3, I provide tips to help diabetics lose weight and manage their blood sugars without sugar crashes or feeling hungry. Okay, so those are some examples about the About Me section. Again, keep it simple. The overall goal with your fan page, keep this in mind, is you want people to reach out to you rather than do their own independent research. Okay, you want to provide enough information that you're going to help them solve a problem that they have, but then they want to come to you for the solution. So once you have those fan page basics down, now you can create your content. With your content, here are some tips that'll really help you out. You want to post 2 to 4 times in the day on your fan page. The great thing is you can schedule this. You can use devices and software programs such as Hootsuite. If this, then that, IFTT, okay, if this, then that. There's Zapier. There is, within the fan page itself, you can schedule your content. And there's post planners. So there's a lot of ways you can schedule your content. But you want to post 2 to 4 times per day. And when you're posting, you want to follow the 90-10 rule, which is 90% value, 10% promotion. So here are some examples of value posts, okay? This is what 90% of your content on Facebook should be. Images that are maybe inspirational and motivational, inspirational quotes, videos such as a Facebook Live, yours or maybe someone else's who's related to you. You have maybe a leader in your niche that can you can share one of their videos that if it's going to help your audience. Blog posts, they can also be third party. So those are value posts. Promotional posts, which are 10%, should be things like webinar meetings, or if you're doing something with conference calls or local meetings. You can also do curiosity posts. This is really good when you're attending live events, okay, showing things behind the scenes, photos of teams, recognition. Just make sure when you are at live events, you don't want to be, especially if it's your company live event, you want to be taking pictures, but don't make sure they have the company name anywhere that is like on the stage or in the back of the screen. Try to minimize that as much as possible. Maybe if there's awards and recognition, you can maybe try to get that person when they're off the stage or at a part of the stage where they don't have a lot of the company logos there. So those are some examples of content creation that you can put on your fan page that will really help you attract more people to you to get more leads, reps, and customers for your business. But above all, you got to be consistent because what people are looking for is consistency. So if you're consistently posting content 2 to 4 times a day, daily, you're going to see your audience build. Now, did you find this video helpful today? If you did, I want you to leave a comment and share it, and make sure you're following my Facebook fan page by going to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson. I create content on almost a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Just make sure you click the like button and the follow button. And did you know you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel directly from my Facebook fan page? You don't even have to leave Facebook to do that. So when you're on my fan page, facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson, look for the tab that says Dr. Lisa's YouTube videos, and then click the subscribe button right here. You will always see my featured video or the most current video right up at the top of the screen on the Facebook tab. Now finally, if you really want to really take your Facebook fan page and take it to the next level, I have a Facebook fan page masterclass done by my good friend and mentor, Brian Finale. And what he's going to do is he's going to teach you a real simple strategy, 3 simple steps to get more customers and reps for your business fast using Facebook. And when you register, you're also going to get a free paid marketing secrets using Facebook and how to set up your Facebook ads the right way. It's a $27 value. You're going to get it absolutely free for attending this free masterclass. So to attend the free masterclass, go to the link you see on your screen. I also have that link in the video description, and it's also in the comment section as the first pinned comment. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.